Diddy gets another day in court, seeks acquittal, new trial. Sean Diddy Combs is getting yet another chance in front of a judge. His lawyers are set to appear in court today to push for overturning his conviction on 2 federal Mann Act charges. Diddy's defense team is requesting that Judge Arun Subramanian either toss out the Mann Act convictions and enter an acquittal or, at the very least, grant him a brand new trial. Federal prosecutors are fighting against both requests. For context, the Mann Act makes a crime to transport individuals across state lines for prostitution purposes. According to Diddy's attorneys, he never profited from prostitution, arguing that the law is typically aimed at dismantling organized sex trafficking operations. They further contend that Diddy did not engage sexually with the male escorts, nor did he personally arrange for their interstate travel. Instead, they describe him as a voyeur and amateur filmmaker who got satisfaction from recording his ex-girlfriends during sexual encounters. Prosecutors, however, take a very different stance. The government insists there was overwhelming evidence justifying the jury's decision under the Mann Act, claiming Diddy orchestrated every detail of the notorious freak-offs. The feds also dismiss the notion that Diddy was merely an observer, pointing out that he was actively involved, giving instructions during sexual acts between escorts and victims, while also pleasuring himself throughout the encounters. In addition, prosecutors rejected Diddy's defense that he was operating as a porn producer protected by the First Amendment. They argue that many of the sex parties weren't even filmed, and when they were, Diddy often failed to notify participants ahead of time, with some not consenting to being recorded at all. Both sides are set to argue their positions in front of the judge today. Meanwhile, Diddy's sentencing date remains October 3rd.